How does it taste?
Oh my God. Oh my little Lord baby Jesus.
Yummy!
Tonight we're gonna spice it up with some fajitas, Southern Girl style.
Welcome to the Cast Iron Cooker Show. Food good, mood good. Now, here's your host.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Cast Iron Cooker Show. And today, we're gonna make something amazing. My name's Zabu, and I'm here with the lovely
Ashe Parker.
That's right, and today we're making some chicken fajitas.
Southern Girl style.
Yes. Like always, you did not click the thumbnail to see me, so I'm gonna be filming her as she makes this awesome dish. This dish will impress your date or somebody special. Make it for them, and things might get a little
Spicy.
That's right. Before we get started, let's have a shot real quick too.
Yeah, that's how we do it in Kentucky.
Yeah.
We cook, we shoot, we cook, we shoot.
That's right.
You don't know if we're shooting guns or taking shots.
Cheers. Woo!
That's how you start a cooking show in the South.
Okay, Ash, what type of ingredients do we need here?
The ingredients.
You obviously need your chicken. And don't forget, the first thing you want to do is wash your meat, gentlemen. Nobody wants to cook with dirty meat.
Some olive oil?
Get your green pepper ready, your red pepper, rinse those too. We're gonna chop an onion. What's this called?
Cumin.
Cumin.
Okay,
It's
my
cumin.
bad.
Guys don't know anything, sorry. Pepper. And don't forget to slap your mama. This is the special spice that's gonna make this dish Southern as they come. Don't forget the cast iron skillet, and most importantly, the tongs. And in Kentucky, you gotta have a little bit of beer with your food. Nothing goes better with fajitas than an ice cold beverage.
Are you rinsing off the meat?
Of course, nobody wants dirty meat. Dirty meat, clean it up. I love how you have Yoda over here. Okay.
All right, Ash, let's chop up everything. It's time for the chop shop.
We're gonna cut some peppers, get it ready for the cast iron. This probably doesn't look very great. That's okay.
Ash, what happened to your knuckle there? Look at that.
Oh,
You been fighting?
well, I am from the South, so you know I'm a little brawler. Shakala. Sometimes shit happens.
Did you win?
I've never lost. It's good. It's all good in the hood. I'm not the best, cutter. Oh, shit. I hope you didn't get that. I about to slice my thumbnail.
Don't cut yourself. Try not to die. All right, good job. All right, now it's time to cut that onion. Do onions make you cry?
As much as I've been through in my life, there's not a lot of stuff that makes me cry anymore.
Oh, good job. Your eyes might burn from cutting onions, just warning you in advance.
Nothing burns these eyes after what I've seen in my life.
Is life hard for a country girl?
Honey, when you're from where I'm from, every day's a soap opera. You live, you learn, you just go on with it.
Did you do some of the country girl living stuff I would imagine? Like, do you ever eat frog legs?
Hell no, I eat no frog legs. I don't like frogs. I do not like frogs. I'll deal with a spider and a snake before I deal with a frog. I don't know what it is about frogs. I don't like them, especially when they're getting ready to jump. Ugh, they kill me. My papa used to make frog legs. And I'll never forget when I walked in there for the first time and seen those things in the cast iron skillet. These little frog legs.
You used cast iron skillet though.
Yes. And there was legs in there and they were just jumping around and I was like, I don't think this frog is dead. It's still alive, but it was just hopping. I know. I don't know how people eat that shit.
Good job of cutting the onion up.
I'm not a great cutter.
You did fantastic.
But whatever. That's good.
That's good. Yeah.
My fingers are gonna smell like they smelled when I was 16 years old and working at the Dairy Hut. I used to have to make onions in those daggone hot dogs. Everybody in Harlan County would come to Dairy Hut for their chili and their hot dogs. And no matter how much I washed my hands, I would go home smelling like those daggone onions. Boy, this is bringing back memories.
The daggone onions.
Them daggone onions. All right. Is that good?
Yeah. That was a great
have
job.
to-
Fantastic.
My eyes are on fire.
Time for the spices to get mixed. So let's add the spices into the little bowl.
All right.
Tablespoon of slap your mama
A tablespoon of slap your mama.
is what we need.
You know, this is
You gotta turn it where, there we go.
a tablespoon.
of slap your mama.
All right.
Mix in a tablespoon of slap your mama. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. Now that I can pronounce it right. Fantastic. Okay, a half teaspoon of ground pepper.
A half teaspoon of ground pepper. Up. A little bit more than half.
A 1/4 cup of olive oil.
Seems like so much.
Yeah. Good job. It's time to stir it up. Doesn't it smell lovely?
Oh, I spilled it.
All right, Ash, let's get this skillet hot. We have it on.
Fire it up.
Then we're gonna throw the veggies in there and we're gonna caramelize them, as they call it.
All right, sorry, but I have to pull my hair up. I cannot cook without putting my hair up. I think it's so gross. So, it's a Southern girl thing, at least it is with me. If I'm cooking, my hair's gotta be up.
All right, you
Can't
don't
deal
want
with
grease.
Who wants hair? Nobody wants hair in their food, right?
Yeah.
All right, and pass me that apron.
Okay.
I'm trying to be a little professional here as I drink my beer. So professional. But we did say this was a Southern girl style, and if this is how I was cooking at home, you better believe I'm gonna have a cold beer and some nice music going, because that's just how we do it. That's just how we do it.
All right, let's add some canola oil in there. It doesn't smoke that much. That's why I like canola oil. It doesn't smoke it up. All right. Yeah, and just pick it up and swirl it all around in there. Yeah, that way it coats the whole pan.
Shake it like a shawl, shake it, a saw, shake it.
Now let's add all the veggies in there. All right.
That's smelling good already.
I'm gonna brown everything up. Look at that.
Okay, you gotta caramelize those onions.
Okay, Ash, let's get this chicken prepped.
Now we're gonna
I'm gonna paint. all
paint
the
it like
spices
Bob
on it.
Ross. Rest in peace, Bob. You know, paint them little happy little trees. This is going to be delicious. A little slippery.
Slip and slide. Yeah, get it all in those crevices. I'm learning how to talk Southern finally.
I've never said crevices in the South. When I cook, I don't measure, so this whole measuring thing today was new for me.
Let's get these veggies out and keep them to the side. We're gonna pour them back in at the very end. Yeah, the oven, the mitt. Get your mitten in there.
Gosh, it smells so good. It's okay if you leave a little bit of that in there.
Now let's add those chickens in there. All the oil. Woohoo! Cook that chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're gonna flip it. Time to flip these chickens. Flip it. Flip it good. Now use the gravy, the sauce, and pour it all in there. Pour in the remainder. Ooh.
If y'all could just smell what the Ashe is cooking. Smells so good.
Yeah. Get those soups on there. Don't let that gravy go to waste.
So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up because it's a thick ass breast. You bought some thick ass chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and slice these up or these things will never get done.
Look at this chicken.
Yeah, I'm gonna knock the bottom out of this chicken till the bottom gets dropped.
You are a fantastic cook. This is what you call making some fixins. Look at that.
Making the fixins with all the fixins.
You chopped
We're
up.
getting ready to put all the fixins right back in this skillet. Give it all that good flavor. I'm gonna go live on my TikTok. TikTok till you don't stop. Here's Zabu. Here's some of our food. I wanted to go like live on TikTok. I'm in my little apron trying to look cute.
Looking good.
Hey, cool boy. We're about ready to add these veggies.
Let's add these veggies back. Dang, they just plop
Drop it
right
like
in
it's
there.
hot. Drop it like it's hot.
And stir it in there. Look at these fajitas.
Oh yeah.
Did you tell me you're a Kentucky Colonel?
I am a Kentucky Colonel.
What is
I am
that?
actually. I'm an honorable Kentucky Colonel. So the state senator awarded me as a Kentucky Colonel several years ago when I used to do when I first started doing acting and stuff. So he wanted to bring like a positive attribute out for the community. So they awarded me that honor. So I actually am a Kentucky Colonel.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
not talking about KFC.
I'm with
No,
a famous person.
I'm not talking about Kentucky chicken, even though we all love some fried chicken in Kentucky. So if you're gonna have chicken fajitas, you gotta have some rice. Well, you know we're trying to make this easy for you guys. We got the 90-second microwavable bag of old beans. All you gotta do is open these little sides, get a little bit of air in there, stick it in the microwave, 90 seconds. Listen, I don't care what some of these women say, we like Mexican food. And this is, it's still kind of healthy. You got your chicken, your veggies. It's a good dinner and it's spicy. It's gonna spice up the night. So, our 90-second rice is done. Our 90-second rice is done. It's a little bit hot. We gotta let that cool off. But that's the easiest side that you could ever, that's the easiest side piece you're ever gonna get. All right, guys, I'm pretty sure it's time to eat. And what do we say? Food good, mood good.
Time to eat.
Ooh.
Ooh, yeah, baby.
It looks phenomenal. It looks like a chef made it.
What am I, chopped liver?
Ashe, let's eat.
Well, I have to get rid of this apron first.
All right.
Looking good.
Wow. That dress is beautiful. Let's see.
Oh, is this some champagne?
Mm-hmm.
It's a fancy ass dinner.
That you cooked.
I've never had champagne with some chicken fajitas now. All right, it's time to dig in and try this chicken fajita. Can't wait.
How does it taste?
Oh my God. Oh my little Lord baby Jesus. Oh my, seriously, this is good. I'm not just saying that. It's so delicious.
So if a guy made this
so
for
good.
you, what would you feel? Would you feel loved?
If a guy made this meal for me, what would I feel?
Yeah.
If you can get a girl a meal, because women love to eat. I don't care what they say. I like food. And if you can get a girl to eat and they're like, it's gonna be a good night. All right, guys, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to all of our channels. Cooker Show, COOKR.show. You can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, all the social media outlets, and follow me as well, Ashe Parker, ASHE Parker 82. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all the social media outlets. We're trying to blow this up. This is our new cooking show, and you'll never know what you're gonna see. You never know what you're gonna get to eat and what kind of hot girl that's gonna get to cook it. So make sure you tune in and watch us.
Yummy! Subscribe and follow Cooker.
I'm going home, gonna load my shotgun, wait by the door and light a cigarette. He wants a fight, well now he's got one, he ain't seen me crazy yet. Slap my face and he shook me like a rag doll, don't that sound like a real man? I'm gonna show him what Kentucky girls are made of, gunpowder and lead. Yeah, yeah.